Hello there and welcome to this lesson where we will be creating an eBay account. So make sure that you are in your favorite web browser, whether that's Chrome, Firefox or Brave. Make sure that you head to ebay.com and then click on this button, register. Right after clicking into that button, you will be redirected to this page where you can create an account. So right in this page, you'll be filling your own personal information, first name, last name, email, and then final password. Make sure that you have a secure password so nobody would be hacking into your account. Keep in mind that you can also use Google or Facebook or Apple to create an account with eBay, but you will have to update the first name and last name. So I'll fill this information and I'll be right back with you. Right here in this page, you'll be adding your own personal phone number. After adding your phone number, you'll be receiving a security code in the form of an SMS. So make sure that you enter that correctly right here. If you would like to simplify your login, you can allow the PIN face or fingerprint, but for me, I'll be skipping this face right now. And that's it. You have created your own personal eBay account. Go ahead to this top left corner where you'll be able to see your name. And then basically you can click on account settings. This is where you will have to fill in some other information such as street address, city, and so on. I'll be filling my personal information and I'll be back with you in a minute. So right after providing the information, you will be met with this dashboard. When we talk about settings, you will be going over to the top left corner and going to account settings and accessing it right from there. You can see a lot of things and a lot of options are right here, from personal info, payment information, which we'll be going over in this course. And right here as well in the top left corner, you can see the store name. If you will see, this is your store page. So with that said, this is the eBay account setup creation. I'll see you in the next lesson.